An alarming gap in the system, meaning no one in Austin is verifying if felons or suspects accused of violent crimes are following court orders to surrender their firearms.
KXAN's Brianna Hollis goes in depth to uncover how this oversight played into a deadly November and who's working to address it.
Digging through court records to learn more about last month's violent streak in Austin, we found extensive criminal histories for several murder suspects. Police made 7 arrests out of November's 10 homicide cases. Of those 7 suspects, 4 had prior convictions, each with various bond and parole conditions, saying they couldn't have guns. Defense attorneys I spoke with about this say there's really no system in place to make sure people follow these rules. We also recently asked police about this.
It is concerning, and I think that's us just working better with probation and parole, how we are tracking people that are violent.
The Texas prison system says it doesn't supervise people on bond and that parole officers only conduct plain view searches during home visits. The district attorney's office says it, quote, requests firearm surrenders when appropriate. The one agency seeming to do the most to track this comes from Austin Public Health, where Michelle Miles leads the department's Office of Violence Prevention.
Mapping out the system from when an individual or person is seeking a protective order to when someone is ordered to surrender.
The office is in the early planning stages of a grant-funded program meant to make sure people charged specifically with domestic violence don't have guns. Can you speak to the detriment of these individuals having firearms?
It increases the lethality for a female victim by 500%.
The project not only aims to track felons and suspects' firearm activity, but also provide holistic solutions to stop cycles of violence.
To help people recuperate or to help people learn better behaviors.
Brianna Hollis, KXAN News.
And the Office of Violence Prevention has $500,000 over the course of 3 years to fund the plan. If researchers find out they need more funding to implement the strategy, they will ask for more money.